Hi everyone, Del here, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the live fire kit. It comes in for around about £15, so we'll just have a quick look at this and see if it's any good. So let's take a look. Thanks for watching. Please remember to hit the subscribe and click the thumbs up, only if you want to. So let's take a look at the live fire kit. So let's take a look at this live fire and see what it's all about. As you can see, I've not had it out of the packet, and we'll just try everything that's with it, the ferro rod and whatnot. It's actually snowing here just now, but it's not sticking. So let's take a little look at this. So it says, slide it, scratch it, strike it. Waterproof, reusable, lightweight, compact, adjustable flame. Burns for hours, burns hot, signalling device, and pine scented. I don't know why you'd be bothered too much about the smell of it, but let's see. So it's in a little wrap. As you can see, I've never used this, never tried it before. I've used the other things, you know, like the military fire strips and that. So come on, get to the packet. So that's the fibre it looks like inside. And you can see we've never used that before, straight out of the packet. And the same for the fire striker. I tend not to like these little ones. I prefer the ones that I have in all my kit with the strikers. So I'm just going to scrape this one up a wee bit first. Get some of the coating off. Make it easier to ignite. So let's push it open and expose it, and we'll see how long it takes to ignite. Okay, it feels damp actually inside. I'm going to keep the lid on that as much as I can. I really don't like these small. Just see if we can fluff it up a bit. Whew. Fluff it up a bit more. Did light that. I was expecting it to light a lot quicker than that. Oh, there's the light now. Took a wee while, but I expected it to light a lot quicker. That's your live fire and the ferro rod. So it says it burns for hours, but I won't burn it for hours. We'll just keep it. So that was a quick demo of the live fire. As you can see, that's the one I used. See, where I burnt it, and with the ferro rod that it come with. Like I say, I'm not normally a fan of these small ones. I don't like them. I prefer buying the other ones. £15. Do I like it? Can I be honest? Not really. No, I'm a fan of the fire plugs, so I'll just stick to using the waxed fire plugs by Procamtech, and I think they're kind of unbeatable for anything. Now that took a while. I fluffed that up and stuff, and you know that wasn't in that extreme weather or anything like that. But it took a while to get going. It did light. Maybe I should have fluffed it up a wee bit more, but I just wanted you to see it as was, without any editing, and as it is. £15. It might be decent. It's nice and compact. It might burn for hours, but I could probably buy about 200 fire plugs for that. So I think I'll just stick to the fire plugs. But live fire, that was a little demo of it. You've seen it work, so if you see it and you want to buy it, buy it. If you don't, don't. So it is a nice compact little size. I suppose you could reuse the tin afterwards for keeping stuff in too. Little fire plugs. But yeah, but that's that. So that was just a quick demo of the live fire. Alright guys, thanks for watching everyone. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like, and I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe out there. Del out.